Dagupan, pinablinluyag kun dagupan, masantos siya agaw eds kayo amin. Join me as we rediscover my beloved city of Dagupan. The name Dagupan is derived from the word Nandaragupan, which means where people meet. Dagupan was already known to be the biggest entreport or marketplace not only in the province of Pangasinan but the whole of Region 1. Faith holds great importance in the lives of Dagupeños. St. John Cathedral Church, as a part of our religious and cultural heritage that continue to be a source of hope and inspirations. We open each year the sound of the Grandias Festival in Pangasinan. Bangus Festival is a yearly cultural and food festival in Dagupan City. It is a celebration of the city's production of the fish named bangus and many of its related products. It is established as Dagupan City positions itself as the bangus capital of the Philippines, a tribute to the residents' resilience, bountiful harvest, and a boost to the local economy. Tondaligan Beach in Dagupan City is one of the most visited places in the area. Families and barcadas usually find themselves at this beach for timeless bonding and memory-making, with the beach's vast area a perfect backdrop for tons of Instagram-worthy pictures. Garpigar is a very popular street food in Dagupan. It's made out really thin slices of beef and liver quickly deep-fried and served with fresh slices of onions. My advocacy is raising an awareness and knowledge about first aid management in every Filipino citizens, in partnership with local government units and Red Cross Philippines. Every minute counts in a crisis, but no matter where you are in the world, professional medical help may not always be immediately available. The ultimate objective of first aid is to save people's lives by preserving life, preventing injury from getting worse, and aiding recovery. What better way to know more about Dagupan is the warmth of local hospitality and beautiful many stories to tell. Thousands of jubilant altogether validated that Dagupan has beauty and wonders to offer. It's more fun in Dagupan. I am Jason Inigo Onsa Gutierrez, your Mr. Asia Pacific Philippines Pangasinan, representing City of Dagupan.